Hi, my name is Sestantri Grace Siahaan, and I am a magister student of North Sumatra University. Uh, Now, I'm going to explain about some theories. The first is what is generative phonology. Generative phonology is a component of the generative grammar that assigns the correct phonetic representations to utterance in such a way to reflect a native speaker's internalized grammar. And then the second one is what are distinctive features in generative phonology? At the underlying level of the phonological component, the function of the distinctive feature is to account for the structure of phonological oppositions obtaining in the particular language at this abstract level. At this level, therefore, distinctive features are specified categorially, usually by plus or in such a way that a segment classified as being in one particular category with respect to a distinctive feature is thereby brought into opposition with all other segments occurring in the same environment that are classified as being in a different category with respect to the same distinctive feature. And the third one is what are phonological processes in generative phonology? English phonological processes happen both in word and phrase levels. In the word level, it occurs when a morpheme is combined with another morpheme. One of the sound will experience a change because of the influence of the other morpheme. The English phonological processes also occurs in a phrase level. This change is caused by the influence of syntactic factors. This study aims at explaining the forms of phonological processes of English language that occur in a word level, concerning the processes of assimilation and some other morphonemic changes. 4 is what are phonological rules in generative phonology? Phonological rules are the rules, whether written or spoken, that control how sounds change during vocal communication. Types of phonological rules. First is assimilation. According to Human, states that assimilation refers to all adaptive modification of the segment and a change of segment by a neighboring segment. According to Driven, assimilation is a process whereby one sound causes an adjacent sound to be some becoming more neighboring sound. Assimilation can be conditioned by preceding or following sound. Then we have the type of assimilation that is distinctive and stability direction of change, progressive, regressive, phonetic morphology, free variation, morphonomic and contextual and historical, phonemic, neutralization, syncretism from the point of view of distinctiveness and stability of change. Assimilation patterns magnifies three subtypes: phonetics, free variation, or contextual assimilation. The change affects a certain segment by selecting a certain variant of the segment. For example, M in trium and nim is rendered labiodental nasal instead of bilabial M. Similarly, in van is often rendered as M. 2. Phonemic. Phonemic assimilation is often referred to as neutralization or syncretism. This is more systemized, not subject-free variation. It also results in the neutralization of two phonemes. For example, N are neutralized in ing and V and F in have to. Driven state that some assimilations, such as in newspaper, are obligatory within word boundaries. However, they are optional and tend to be more frequent in the informal and relaxed speaking. 3. Morphological or morphonemic assimilation is one of which affects a whole morpheme. It usually decides the morpheme variation according to morphonomic role. I think that's all for the presentation. I want to say thank you and see you.